so much for clicking on this video. Hope you have an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video is the monthly collab hosted by Food Makeup Skin, and the idea for this video is graphic eyeliner. Now, I really haven't explored much in the graphic liner except for doing a different graphic liner design as opposed to a different color, which is traditionally more what the graphic liner is. In a previous collab with Food Makeup Skin, when I did my Hufflepuff inspired look, that was kind of like graphic liner for me since it really wasn't traditional eyeliner or wing liner. It definitely had a more unique shape to it. I don't know, I was looking at like all of like the different inspired looks just to get some ideas, and I want to put my own spin on graphic eyeliner as opposed to just either a similar shape like in my Hufflepuff look or just using a different eyeliner color that just isn't black. I've always wanted to create a traditional rainbow look, which I haven't done, so I figured maybe this is the opportunity to take some eyeliner and draw on a rainbow for a graphic liner look. I will leave my collabs playlist link to watch previous collabs. And if you're visiting from any of the channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. So the eyeliners I'm going to be dabbling into, I think I'm going to take one lip liner since I don't have a red eyeliner, and then the other ones are going to be either from ColourPop or some of my favorite colorful eyeliners, which are by LA Girl Cosmetics. These are the Electroshock Neon Eyeliners, and I've heard that they came out with some pastel ones, which I really need to get. Hopefully my Ulta has them. I really like these. These are really nice and creamy, and they are super affordable, so I definitely have to get the pastel counterparts. I think I'm going to try and attempt some clouds. These are super creamy and fragile, so that's the second one that I've broken this video. almost don't even want to put red because I really like how that coral shade turned out. For bronze, I'm going to take my number 7 bronzer in the shade Golden Sand. For blush, I'm going to take Pinky Swear by Medusa's Makeup. And then for highlighter, I'm going to take Vanilla Quartz by Becca. All the texture right now, so it's just being emphasized even more with highlighter. And then for lipstick, I'm going to take Red Inferno by BOXYCHARM. And then taking the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. And this is the final look. I really liked how this little rainbow came out. I thought about doing it on this side too, but I was kind of afraid that it wouldn't come out even and then just kind of looking weird. So even though that the one eye isn't done, I feel like it looks a little bit better than how attempting them trying to make them as even as possible. This yellow eyeliner took me by surprise because it's yellow. I know I struggle a lot with yellow shadows, so I did not expect the eyeliner to become bamming through with some pigment on there, so I did press a little bit hard. The initial tip did break, and these are really smooth and creamy, so it kind of was to be expected, but I did not expect the pigment in return. The purple one also kind of broke on me upon application. It is a really light eyeliner. I've only used it on my lower lash, and even then it needs to be built up, built up, built up. The other shades were fine. I did not expect the ColourPop one to be as coral as it was, because it does look more of like a creamsicle orange, but it was super pretty. I definitely think that these might have worked out a little bit better for the entire look as opposed to these LA ones. I felt like they were just tugging a little bit more at my lid, while the ColourPop ones just pretty much glide on your eyes, but that takes nothing away from the LA Girl ones. I think that they are super stunning, and I will continue to use them just as much as I will continue to use the ColourPop ones. I think the ColourPop ones are just a little bit more advantageous to have because they are also retractable. It's just more of a convenience thing for me. The only thing that I have to worry about them is that way that the retractable doesn't break, because I have run into some issues like that, not with ColourPop specifically, but some other brands. I would love to know if you had to create a graphic eyeliner look, what would your approach be? Would you create just an eyeliner look like I did, or would you have created an eye look and then focused on some graphic liner? And let me know in the comments below, what are some of your favorite eyeliners? As I mentioned, ColourPop and LA Girl are some of my go-to, and I think NYX actually had a really pretty holiday set that I was eyeing, and I haven't used NYX's retractable or pencil liners. I have only used their liquid, so I'm not sure how the formula is. If you have used it, let me know your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to check out everyone else's look. There will be a playlist linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.